Here he is again. That's astonishing. It's absolutely...
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, gol, 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 gol!
Aguero! Absolutely world class.
Liverpool 3-0. Corner taken quickly, Origi!
Although to think about it, oh! Absolutely since
Palmer keeps the ball. Don't think he knew where it was, but he finds it either way.
The first Teenage World Cup final goal.
Here's the cover to retain the title.
It's a really good ball. It's Shabalala.
Salah. Oh, wow! Oh! It's Carvajal's cross. Rodrigo. Oh, extraordinary.
That is beyond special. Nonetheless, the Greek god in Rome.
Everybody screw!